on Math Day 6. And this is our third day of counting money, so this lesson won't be very long. We've been doing it for 2 days now. This is day 3 on counting money, so it won't be very long. Our practice today is how much, choose the correct purse to pay for each thing. Okay, these are our items. These are our purses. I see that now. I didn't even see a purse earlier. Okay, our first item is 50 cents. Which purse, A, B, C, or D, do we have 50 cents in? So this is, in case you can't see it, a quarter, a dime, and a dime, a quarter, 3 quarters, a quarter, dime, dime, penny, 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 penny. Okay, so which purse has 50 cents? A, B, C, or D? Yell it out. Good job. Purse B has 50 cents. 2 quarters is 50 cents. Okay, the ribbon is 45 cents. Which purse, we used B, which purse has 45 cents? Good job. Purse A, 25, 35, 45. A. All right, the yarn is 49 cents. Which purse, C or D, has 49 cents? Yell it out. Good job. Purse D, 25, 35, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Purse D. And paper clips are 75 cents. And our only purse left is C, but let's count it. 25, 50, 75. Good job. Purse C. Use coins. Tell 2 ways you can pay for the toy. This little truck, this fire truck, is 67 cents. So let's start with our coin with the largest value, which is a quarter. And we know that 2 quarters are 50 cents. And we only need to get to 67. So we have 50. Let's try adding a dime. 25, 50, 60. We need to get to 67, so let's do 7 pennies. All right, 25 and 25 is 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67 cents. We use 2 quarters, 1 dime, and 7 pennies. Now, let's think of another way to get 67 cents. Let's start again with our largest value coin. We'll start with 2 quarters, which we know is 50 cents. Let's add 2 nickels, because we learned a couple days ago that 2 nickels are equal to 1 dime, because 1 dime is worth 10 cents. 2 nickels are worth 10 cents. So now we have 25, 50, 55, 60. Let's add another nickel. 25, 50, 55, 60, 65. I'm almost at 67. 66, 67. So we have 2 quarters, 3 nickels, and 2 pennies. 25, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. So we have 67 cents 2 different ways. All right, you guys take out your workbook and turn to page 225. Workbook page 225. It looks like this. And it has given us coins. We write the value, and then we show another way with different amount of coins to get the same value. So in our first one, we have 25, 25, 25, some dimes. 60, 70, 80, and 2 pennies, 81, 82. So we have 2 quarters, 3 dimes, 2 pennies. We still have 82 cents. This last one at the bottom is 2 quarters, a dime, a dime, a dime, a nickel, and a nickel. Let's see how much we have. 25 and 25 is 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. We have 90 cents. I want you guys to give me a different way to have 90 cents. I want you to do it all by yourself and write it like I wrote it. Draw the circle with the amount of each coin, and then I'll know if it's a quarter, a nickel, a dime, or a penny. Okay? Your parents can help you with that if you wanted to. That's perfectly fine. But I want you guys to do that one without my help. And then we'll flip over to page 226. Alrighty. 226 says use pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters and draw 2 ways to pay for the balloon. So we'll do one together, and then you can do the second one all by yourself. The balloon is 87 cents. So let's start with dimes. We start with quarters a lot. Let's start with dimes. So we have 1 dime is 10, 2 dimes is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have 80 cents in dimes. We need to get to 87. So if we add a nickel, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Plus 5 is 85. 2 pennies, 86, 87. 87 cents. Alright, you guys do it your own way on the bottom. You can use quarters if you would like. I just wanted to start with something different just to mix it up a little. So you guys do that one all by yourself. And that's all for today's lesson. It's very short, but you can still get the money out and practice. Our next lesson, we're going to start adding and subtracting with money. Okay? It's going to get a little tough. So I want you to be really comfortable with counting money before we start adding and subtracting. So definitely get the change out. Definitely play around with it and get really used to counting. Okay? See you guys.